All right, replacing the cup holders on these E90s is pretty easy, but just take your time. So I have here a little a crowbar tool. So I'm gonna put it in the corner here, and then just put it in there, and then just be very gentle because you don't want to break the trim. Unless you have a new trim, it's not a big deal. But then also I don't want to ruin the padding there. So it's pretty easy. You pull it here, and same thing on this side. Until it comes out, and then start going through the middle. The corners are clips, but the middle is a little bit different. The middle has like these push things in there. As you're pulling it, just comes off. There you go. So you just pull this here, and you see it comes out right here. Awesome. So I already did this part, but these cup holders, they all have 2 screws on each one. So you just take that off Phillips head, put it off here. This is what it looks like right here, and then right here. This one's broken. So. And then to put it back in, same thing. You do the same thing all the way. You know, reverse it. So you put the cup holders in there. Make sure you put it in there and take your time putting it in there to make sure that it fits in nice and smoothly in there. And that it lines up right there. You'll be very gentle with that. And then once you put that there, put the screws back and put the cover back. My cup holders are fine, it's working great. It's just I wanted to do a little bit different, something different to the car. So I got these black ones that I'm gonna get. So same thing. That's pretty easy. So again, take your time doing it because you don't want to break the cup holder or the trim unless you have a new one. It's not a big deal, but then again, you don't want to mess up all this padding here and have it be marked up. So do that. I got mine on eBay. There was like 60 bucks with the new cup holders and the trim here, but they can get very pricey if you buy them like at another website. But do that and then you should be good. These cup holders are pretty flimsy, so just be careful with them. All right.